Dear educators, welcome back to Student Alliance community. My name is Shahrukh, and in today's session, we're going to talk about using physics experiments as to how you can use the Chemix labs and make those apparatus. Now, continuing the Chemix application, here you have a diode. Just place your diode wherever you want it. Then, if you want to make a knife switch, just put your knife switch here, and how you can do the placement accordingly. The same thing, studying about the resistors. Now we know that resistors have different color codes to it, so you can use that. And in case students want to see how does a voltmeter look like or a digital ammeter look like, you can just put it here, where you will see a voltmeter and the other electrical requirements that are required in a physics experiment. Hope that helps you. Thank you so much.